Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, I am Hamza Rahman, an English instructor for level 3 from the Vision School Mirpur Khas. I hope you guys have been doing well. And as you know that unfortunately just because of the pandemic of COVID-19, again we are going to have our online classes, our online lectures. So let's start our lecture, and the very first topic of online lecture is the turtle and the swans. The turtle and the swans is very interesting story, and in this story you will be able to know the moral of this story, a great message of this story. But before starting this story, let me tell you why do we read all these stories in our literature book. The very first target is reading skills. You guys know very well, as we have discussed many times in our class, that reading skills are very important, because if we can read the topic, so we can get easily. So how we can improve our reading skills? Just read the passage again and again, and what kind of questions you are having at the end, just try to solve all these questions by your own. Then you will be able to read easily, and you will be a good reader. And if you are a good reader, so you can get the topic easily. Clear, guys? And the one more thing, that if you are having any confusion to pronounce the word, the word is very typical to pronounce, and the typical word, so just break it in the parts. After breaking it in the parts, then read it in parts. Then you will be able to read it fluently, inshallah. Let's start our story. I will just tell you the summary of the story. We will not be going with the whole story, because it is very long story. If in the lecture I will read all the story, so it will take many time. So just I will tell you the summary of the story, and then you have to read the story by your own. Clear, guys? So here is the story. As I have told you, it is very interesting story, the turtle and the swans. Actually, the turtle and the swans, there were 3 friends, 2 swans and 1 turtle. How they were friends? Let's discuss about it. There was once a lake in a rich green valley, surrounded by the blue hills and forest. In it lived a kindly old turtle. There was a valley. It was very delightful, very beautiful valley, like full of greenery and great forest, and the blue hills, means it was very beautiful scenery over there. And in it lived a kindly old turtle. A very kind turtle lived over there. He was friendly with all the animals, for he was great talker. His best friends were a pair of beautiful white swans. He was great talker and was kind with all the animals. But his best friends were 2 beautiful swans. Do you know, guys? Do you understand what is swans? Yes, I think you have seen the swans, like adjutant bird, we can say, the long-legged bird, we can say, swans. When the sun set behind blue hills, the valley would glow with the orange light of dusk. When evening came in the valley, so it was very beautiful scenery over there, like orange lights of dusk in the blue mountains. The turtle would crawl up onto the bank. The swans would waddle up beside him. Then the turtle would ask, "My friends, tell me about the things you have seen and heard on the other side of the blue mountains." Turtle wanted to know, because he has never visited behind the blue hills, and he wanted to know that what are the things behind the blue hills, because when he was living over there in the valley, he has never visited outside the valley, because swans could fly. Swans have visited many times, but turtle could not fly. That's why he had never seen. Clear? So that's why when the evening comes, so they sit like 2 or 3 friends sit together, and they chat merrily for a long time, and they discuss many things. So as in the evening they come on the edge of the lake, and like a gathering, they started chatting, and they started discussion about all these things, and turtle was asking about all these things, and swans told him many things. So it was very delightful valley. Their lives were going very beautiful lives, because as I have told you that it was very delightful valley. And the other things, now I'm just going to tell you the summary of the story. Then at the end I will tell you the moral of the story. Clear? After that, what happens that after some time it was very bad news for them that the rain stopped. It was not raining over there in their valley, so the lake was just about to dry, and the green leaves became yellow. Means it was very typical time to survive over there. Now they were very disappointed that now what we will do, what we are going to do, what is our next step. So swans were very sad, and they said to the turtle that we feel very sorry for you, that we are swans, we have wings, we can fly, and when after some time we fly in another valley, there is plenty of water, there is many things like what a bird needs to live. So turtle was very sad because it was turtle and he could not fly. So turtle said, okay then, bye forever, because when you will come back in this valley, so I will not be here. Then the swans asked, where are you going? Turtle said, I am not going anywhere. Till then you will come back. I will not be here and I will die. That's why. So swans were very disappointed. Now they were thinking that what should we do, like how we can save our friend, because each and every friend has pain for other friends. So turtle gave them an idea. What was the idea? Turtle said that bring a stick and just you hold the stick from corners, and then I will hold the stick from middle, and you both can fly. You will fly and I will just hang on the stick, and you can bring me another valley. So they said, yes, it is very good idea. Let's try. Then they tried and it was very good. It worked. Then they decided that next day, very early morning, we will started our journey, and the next day they started their journey. But they said that, remember one thing, you are a great talker, so please be silent if you will speak. So you will have to leave the stick, and if you will leave the stick, you will fall down. So please try to be silent. If you will speak, so you will die, because we are swans, we have wings. If any like incident will happen, so we can fly, we have wings, but you don't have wings, you are a turtle. So try to understand this thing, that you have to be silent. Turtle said, it's okay, then you also will have to be silent. They decided that okay, we will be silent and in our journey. But when they started their journey, so turtle saw many things, because it was very surprising. All these things were very surprising for turtle, because he has never seen all these, even a human being. He saw a human being first time. He was very surprised at who they are, and they were the turtle just wanted to discuss with them many things. He wanted to talk with them because he was a great talker, but it was in compulsion that if he just left the stick, so it will his death. He kept control on his discussion, and after a time when he was very just fed up with the discussion of people, he suddenly started speaking. And when he started speaking, he just left the stick and fall down to the earth and death. So this was the summary of the story. And when you will read this story, it is very interesting story. And what is the message at the end? Here is the message, like keep your mind on the job in hand. What you have to do, guys, just keep your mind on the job in hand, means whatever you are doing, just keep your mind on it. If you will be busy in other parts, other things, then you can leave your achievement, you can leave your target. So do not miss your target, just look at your target and ignore all these things. Clear? Now you guys are requested to read this story completely and keenly, so that you could get the story easily and you could improve your reading skills. Now let's discuss about the homework, that what you have to do and how you have to do. Clear? So here is your homework, guys. Like the turtle and the swan, home task is words to know and question answer. How you have to do, guys, there is no any confusion. It is just same as you do in your class. Like how do you do in your class? Like after reading the story, after reading the passage, after reading the lesson, just what you do, you just write turtle and the swans. Just give the heading of the topic and write words to know as you do in your copy, as usual in your class. After that, on next page you have to write the question answer, and which questions you have to do and which words you have to write. You have received a syllabus of online classes. So in this, all these things are mentioned. Clear, guys? If you are having any confusion, any problem regarding lecture or regarding homework, so please let me know. Till the next lecture, till the next class. Allah Hafiz.